Hello everyone, welcome back to Chao channel. This is part 2 of my video clip talking about chocolate syrup and chocolate sauce. In another video, I showed you how to make a low-cost but delicious chocolate syrup using very simple ingredients. Today is a different recipe. This one is a little bit more premium, but this is for chocolate sauce. So let's look at our ingredients. Come and have a look. What we need are sugar. Don't worry about the recipe. I am going to put the proportions in the description below. We need my milk syrup. For those of you that do not know how to make this, please check out the link above. We need butter. We need unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm using here my own blend of cocoa powder. And to give it a little bit of mystery, I'm adding a little bit of Milo, or you can use Ovaltine or Hershey's cocoa if that's what you have, but just to make it different from all the rest. And then I'm going to make it smell better using a little bit of vanilla extract and just a dash of salt. So to make this, we need to use a pot. So we need to cook the chocolate syrup or the chocolate sauce. We need a whisk. We need a saucepan. So let's start the process by first putting all our ingredients into the pot, the saucepan. I'm going to put my half and half, or you can use all-purpose cream like Nestle cream, but I'm using my milk syrup, which is more economical. Then I'll put my cocoa powder in there. And then my secret ingredient, a little bit of Milo. Okay, let's just make sure we get all of it. That's it, we're nearly halfway there, so let me just give it a bit of a whisk before we turn on the heat. So it's not going to dissolve completely, just to stir them in. This is going to be very fudgy or saucy, or whatever you want to call it. It's just going to be thick, as you can see. Okay, at this point I am going to turn on my heat. Okay, just medium heat. So look at that texture. It is very thick. And then I'll put my butter. Make sure you put it on low heat. Put my butter there. And then keep stirring. You don't want to burn this chocolate sauce. So stir the butter in, make sure it's fully dissolved. Now this process takes very quick, so make sure you have all the ingredients ready when you're doing it. That's beautiful, creamy texture. And then now I don't really have to do anything more. I can turn off the heat here. Very quick. It only took us about 2 to 3 minutes to get to this consistency. And then I'm going to put my vanilla there. Smells so good, so vanilla. And then just put a little bit of salt. You don't have to worry about the proportion of the salt, just put a little bit of salt just to further enhance the flavor of the chocolate. And what do you have here? Very thick chocolate sauce. Lovely. This is perfect for your cakes, And of course, your favorite smoothies, frap, iced drinks, and even your hot drinks as topping. So are you ready for this? Our beautiful chocolate sauce. Let's see how good it is. Okay, so let's put it here. And now what you can do with this is to wait for it to be a bit cooler. You can put it in a dispenser like this with triple squeeze, so you can use it for your drinks. There, it will be easy to make a design. But for now, I am just going to put it in my sauce container here. So let's see that. Wow, that is absolutely creamy and thick. Beautiful. Okay, I have some more left over here. I'm tempted to dip my finger in it, but don't do that, it'll be hot. Okay, let me just keep this at my chocolate sauce there. See how good it is? Wow, that is good. Really, really good. How is it different from a store-bought sauce? Let me just check. I have here a store-bought sauce, and I'm going to give them a try, both, okay? Let me just get a little bit of this. This one versus my homemade chocolate sauce. Of course, I have to say mine is better. Well, this is very good because it's got that beautiful smell, so I'm sure there are flavoring added to this, but if you looked at the way we made our chocolate sauce, you know exactly what's in there. No preservative at all. Perfect for your drinks and for your cakes, and if you want to bottle it and sell it, that's also possible. But for sure, you can save costs if you make it yourself. Like this is about 800 pesos or about 16 US dollars. Now, let's see if we put it on top of, say, whipped cream. So I'm going to show you that. Got my chocolate sauce here because I still have some left over and it's a little bit cooler now. I'm going to put it in my sauce dispenser. It's very, very, very thick. Beautiful homemade chocolate sauce a la Chao. Mysterious chocolate sauce. Okay, let me just finish here. I'm going to scrape this after the video tutorial. I don't want to waste any of it. So let me put my cap there. And just to see how good it is, come on, have a look. We're just going to pretend there is a drink there. And then let's put our whipped cream. There. And now for the moment of truth. I am going to put my chocolate sauce there. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. It's not runny at all. Beautiful, beautiful chocolate sauce. I am not going to use the word beautiful here. I think it is perfect. Absolutely perfect. There you have it, our perfect homemade chocolate sauce. It's got the right color, it's got the right consistency, it's got the best ever tasting chocolate sauce you might have had. So let me take it. I'm not much of a cream person, but I'd like to try it with my cream. Yum, yum, yum. You have to try this. Delicious. So now you have seen how to make simple chocolate syrup using very, very simple ingredients. This is a little bit more premium than that, but you still use a homemade ingredient which we have in this channel using our milk syrup, or you can change that with all-purpose cream, Nestle cream, or heavy cream. But the taste of what we made is just perfect for chocolate sauce. I might do a little bit of costing and put it in the description below. How much would 2 liters cost compared to a store-bought chocolate sauce. With the recipes that I have shown you for chocolate syrup and chocolate sauce, you can cut costs, or you can even start your own business bottling these chocolate syrup and chocolate sauce. So if you have any questions, do let me know. Like and subscribe. In the meantime, stay safe. I'll see you again in my next video. Ciao for now.